Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Tesla account online on your PC. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Tesla account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address tesla.com like this and hit on enter, or you can just simply search for Tesla login like this and hit on enter. And on the first page you can see the www.tesla.com with the Tesla account over here on the first result of Google. Click over there, whereas on the first tab you can see we are on the home page of the Tesla, whereas in the second tab we are on the direct login page of the Tesla. You can see over here. So in order to get to the login page of the Tesla from the home page, you'll be required to click on the account button available at the top right corner of the screen over here where I'm hovering right now. Click on that account button like this, and you can see guys, both of these pages are same, which is the login page of the Tesla account. Now you'll be required to enter your email address with which you have signed up for a Tesla account like this. Enter your full email address, and after that, after entering your email address, click on next, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password. And after you enter your password, you'll be logged into your Tesla account. But if you have trouble signing into your account, you can see the trouble signing in button available over here. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you can, or you'll be able to retrieve or reset your password depending upon which one you want. And with that being said guys, if you have not yet signed up for a Tesla account, you can create account button available over here to go to a sign up page of Tesla. With that being said guys, after entering your email address, simply click on next, and after that you'll be required to enter your password. And after you enter your password, you'll be shown a login button, and on the next step click on that login button and you'll be signed into your Tesla account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.